Hello my beautiful fam, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Germany, and in this platform I talk about beauty, I do skincare product review, DIYs, lifestyle and lots more. So in today's video I'm here to talk about a skincare product that I've tried as usual, and this product works super nice on my skin, and I've seen one or two persons that also use it, and I said let me talk about it. I don't know, someone might love to give it a try here on my channel. So if you want to see this skincare products, sit down and watch this video. Please thumbs up this video after watching. If you like it, don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight right into today's video. So guys, like I said today is a skincare product review, and today's video I'll be talking on the Kojic Clay papaya tube. So this is a cream in form of it in a tube. This is the Kojic Clay. So guys, this product is very good when it comes to dark spots, like to clear pimples, or you know, those things on your skin, especially on the face. So I tried this product. I saw someone using it, and she's using it just on the face where she has spots. Due to the breakouts and the acne problem I had, I was treating it, and I so went along and tried this same Kojic Clay, and I'm still using it up to this time. This is the first one, and you can see I'm still on this place. So this product is so nice. For those of you living in Nigeria, you can easily get this in any beauty store. I think I got this when I traveled to Nigeria, and I said let me give it a try because I love skincare. And it's stated here that it's papaya. It's made, there is papaya in it. So they have the one of papaya, I think another one with orange, I don't know, or turmeric, but I decided to try this one made of papaya because the person I saw using it was actually using this one. And you know, anything that has papaya, it has a lot of vitamins. So I love it because it says it helps to clear dark spots, and you don't use it like your regular cream. You use this to treat yourself, to treat where you have the problems like the spots, rashes, eczema. This will help you fix it, and all these there's another thing they call melasma on the skin. So this can help you fix it. So after you must have gotten your result, please discontinue using this. Yes. So if you want to use this for spots, I advise you use it like a patch. Use it like spot treatment. Don't rub it all over your face. So that is how I used it. I didn't use it all over my face up to this time. I only put it on the place where I still have some spots. I'll just, after using my serum, I'll just take a little bit from it and dab it on the spot and massage it in. So this smells so nice. I love it because it smells so nice. It doesn't smell anything like chemical. It smells like papaya, and the color inside, it looks like this inside. Sorry, I don't know if you can see it closely. It has this orange color, and the flavor is amazing, guys. And this also glows the skin, guys. This glows the skin. So guys, this helps to clear dark spots, it helps to clear melasma, it helps to clear eczema, or those marks on your skin. Even if you did not get the mark from pimple, this will help you fix it. So go look for it. I think you can get it in Afro Shop. It's called the Kojic Clay papaya cream. So this is so nice, and it comes in this little tube that is 50 grams. So I love this so much because it helps me with dark spot. And one thing I love about it is the fragrance. It doesn't have any harsh fragrance. I don't think it has it doesn't have hydroquinone. I read through the reflect when I bought it. I saw that what it's made of is natural things, so that's why I went ahead and give it a try. So if you're out there and you're having spots, you're having problematic skin like rashes, you can also use this to treat rashes on the places you have rashes. So this is so nice. So if you live in Nigeria, go pick it up and try it on your face. Try it on those places you have spots. Promise you this will work. It's written that it works under 7 days, but I've been using this for the past 4 weeks now, or if more than maybe 6 weeks I've been, because I don't use it every day. I don't use it every single day. I use it only the days that I remember that, oh, I have this spot here, let me just put it here. So I don't use this every day. I still use my Nivea. So another way you can also use this is by mixing this with your Nivea face cream. Yes, you can take this, a little bit of it, and take your Nivea and mix it together. Just apply on your face. It's so nice. So you can also press half of this tube, or like 1/3 of it, like into 1/3, meaning you share this into 3. Take the first part, second and third, mix the first part into your Nivea cup cream and your face cream, and use it, mix it properly and use it on your face. Guys, you will love the result. So I will make another video where I will really illustrate how you can mix this with your Nivea, because I don't have a new tube. So that's why I decided to just make the video on this Kojic Clear Papaya. So if you're out there and you want to glow, you want to clear spots, this is so nice. And when you apply it on your skin, it absorbs so quickly. You can see where I dropped some just now. It has gone in my skin, so it doesn't stay on top on the surface of the skin. It penetrates immediately. I love it because of the fragrance. Oh my god, the fragrance is so mild, and it has this fruity papaya fragrance. So guys, tell me if you love to give this a try. If you live outside Nigeria, I think you can find this on in Africa shop, Afro shop, but I particularly got this when I traveled when I traveled to Nigeria. That was in summertime. I got just one tube just to give it a try. So guys, tell me if you love to give this a try, and tell me what you think about this Kojic Papaya Clear. Have you heard about it? And tell me if you love to give it a try. So thank you. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to thumbs up this video, drop your comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I see you next time. Bye.